To check your transaction history on Revolut, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app and find the information you need. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Go to the Accounts tab. Once you are in the app, locate and tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your account overview. Step 3. Select the relevant account. In the Account section, choose the account for which you want to view the transaction history. This could be your main account, a currency account, or a specific card. Step 4. Access transaction history. After selecting the account, scroll down to find the transaction history section. Here, you will see a list of all your recent transactions, including details like date, amount, and merchant. Step 5. Filter or search transactions. If you need to find specific transactions, use the filter or search options available. You can filter by date, type of transaction, or search for a specific merchant to narrow down your results. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Revolut. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you manage your finances more effectively.